Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and a couple of days ago I posted a video about making royal icing transfers. And today I'm going to use those transfers to decorate my cookies for St. Patrick's Day. So taking a royal icing transfer, I just put a little bit of royal icing on the back that I'm going to use sort of like a glue to stick it down onto the cookie. I like to use the color of icing that is the background color in case any of the royal icing comes out from underneath the transfer as I stick it down. And if some does and you want to wipe it away, you can wipe it away with a damp paintbrush. So I put these 3 shamrocks on my cookie, and now I'm going to use my royal icing to draw little vines coming down out of the bottom of them, and then I'll put a bow down there and tie it all together kind of like it's a bouquet of shamrocks. And we'll finish up the bow, and then this cookie will be done. I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different cookies today using the transfers. So this one is done, and now we'll start on our next one. So for this one, we'll be using the leprechaun hat. Just put some royal icing on the back and stick it down onto your cookie like glue. And then do the same thing with one of the little mini shamrocks. Put that down onto the hat. And then we'll pipe a line down into the hat band. And now you can leave your cookie like this, which is super cute, or you can go a little nuts and paint a whole bunch of shamrocks on it. Sometimes I just don't know when to stop. And for this last cookie, we're just going to pipe a big heart, and then we'll attach another royal icing shamrock transfer down at the bottom. Using the transfers just makes finishing your cookies so super quick and so easy, and your transfers are perfect. You use the ones that came out the best. There's no craters, no need to worry that your finished cookie isn't going to look exactly the way you wanted it to. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like your own copy of the transfer sheet, the link is in my description. Thanks for watching.